Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jackson County and west central Wisconsin, northeastern Trempealeau County and west central Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Osseo, or 13 miles north of Whitehall, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I think it's going to be a doubleheader. Look at that. For Fillmore, Houston, Renault. I sure hope it's doubleheader.
Around 5:40 p.m. Fairchild around 5:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Highway 53 in County East, Levi and Requa.
Well, it's coming through on the
interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
97.5, but
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Jackson and Trempealeau.
Let's pray it's a doubleheader. Awesome!
Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, northern Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lewiston, or 10 miles southwest of Winona, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rushford around 5:35 p.m. Houston around 6 p.m. Dakota around 6:10 p.m. La Crosse, La Crescent, and Holka around 6:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Perkins, Mount Prairie, County Road 6 and 33, Wyattville, Interstate 90, exit 260.
Well, it's a doubleheader on the...
Minnesota, Fillmore, a risk for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room.
Oh, here it is on the TV. Oh, that's weird. Oh, whatever.
For the following counties in Minnesota, Fillmore, Houston, and Winona. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. for southeastern